What we have here is the bag kit for the new RYOBI mower. So let's get it unboxed. Boy, it comes in, I'm telling you, this box is half my size and it's actually bigger around than me. That's how big this box is. But that's what it comes in. I'm sure the FedEx guy was not happy when he had to bring this to my house today. Oh my goodness. I don't know how difficult this is going to be to put together. So let's find out. There's the hardware. All right, just a box. Why does this look like blades? Does the kit come with blades? Well, shit. Do I have to put blades on it? Wasn't planning on putting blades on. How about some instructions? Got any of those lurking around here anywhere? There's one of the bags. It's nice that they collapse. There's the other bag. Aha! Instructions. Wow, is this print small. Yeah, no, there's no way. All right, let's see. You got to raise that guy up, put those on. Why does it come with blades? Doesn't say I have to put blades on. Oh, no, yep, aha. So, looks like, and yeah, you're putting on an extra blade. All right. Well, this is going to be a little bigger project than I originally thought. I thought I was just going to put this on and it would just start collecting grass. Nope. Oops. Got a little plexiglass window. It's cool, it's clear so you can watch the grass going inside of it. And then this goes like that. Just like that. Oh, just like that. Oh, man. All right. Oh, you can actually see the grass going in here. Oh, you can turn around and you can see the level of the bags. I was wondering about that. So I don't have to hop off and raise this up to check the level. I can just peer through the window here to see how much grass I've collected. All right. So it's supposed to be easy to attach and take off. It has these two clips here that attach it to the mower. What else we got in here? Packing material. Packing material. Packing material. Oh wait, see a bracket. Hang on. It's the thing that directs the grass. It hits here, shoots up, or hits here and doesn't go anywhere. But interesting. What else we got? Whoa! Holy cow! This fits in the back receiver. So it actually probably isn't hard to put on. All right. So this guy has to come off. Should be easy, right? Let's see. I bet you got to raise it up. Oops. Should put the parking brake on. Okay, parking brake set. Well, since I'm here, the way this goes, the numbers are hidden right now. There's a blank spot. That blank spot is to stow it. All right, so it's stowed as high as it goes. What did I do with the directions? See, there's pictures. Everything an old man needs, pictures. All right. You can see it on top, but you can't get to it. Ooh. Boy, they don't make that easy. I'm supposed to be able to take this deck off in 60 seconds. It has been way over 60 seconds. Just saying. That's gonna need a pair of pliers. Yeah, it shows that it turns. So somehow I gotta unscrew this cable. Let me get you in here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. So this guy has to be pulled, and then you raise that up. That's how you disconnect it. And then over here, you get the same thing, but you also got this cable. This has to be turned. My fingers aren't strong enough. Let's see if I can get this on it. You know what? It's supposed to go all the way down. All right, how many of you guys are sitting here telling me, turn it down? So push this up. See the numbers? So we need to put it all the way down to 1. Now I can get my hands in there. Doesn't mean I can turn it though. Still need the channel locks. Holy shit. I need 2 pairs of channel locks. Yeah. 60 seconds. Get this off in 60 seconds. 60. Uh-huh. Yeah. 60 seconds. All right, how can you get the channel locks to work in 60 seconds? Well, get in the different groove, man. What are you doing to me? Make me look like a dummy in front of all these internet's peoples. Oh, look at there. 2 channel, oh shit, not just turned. Hang on. 2 channel locks. Yep, that's what it requires. I don't know if I'm loosening this or tightening it. If I go the way the instructions say, this ain't working for shit. Problem is, I don't know which direction you're supposed to take it. Aha! Got it. All right. The instructions have you turn in the wrong one. It's free. Damn thing ain't light though. Whoa! Get out of there. Oh shit, don't be. I bet you now I want to push this back up, don't I? Holy cow. Well, that's one way to get it up. There's nothing on it now, it just moves. All right. Come on. Come on, get out. What are you hung on now? 60 seconds. Gone in 60 seconds. Ah, son of a bitch. There's 2 cables. Yeah. Can't be just one. Gotta be 2 of them bastards. 60 seconds. At least I know which one turns now. Come on. Unscrew. Whoa! Oh, shit, dude. Jeez, that thing's heavy. Does this say 2-man lift? Doesn't say 1 old fat man, huh? All right. Whoa. Ooh, that's lovely. Should have done this outside. Like Michael Jackson, I'm gonna 1 glove it. Boys and girls, it's not good if you mow when it's wet. But you have seen where I mow, and I have no choice but to mow when it's wet. In fact, you could say That's why I got this mower, so that I can mow while it's wet. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Let me get you in here. Look at all that. Look at all this wondrous. That's, yeah. Yeah, that's nasty. It's what that is. All right. I think they made penicillin out of that, right? Isn't that that's the white mold. All right. Yeah, I should probably have a mask on. Maybe a biohazard suit. Step 1, 60 seconds. Step 2. Okay. Step 2 is get the blades off. Aha. She turns. Oh. All right. One's loose. All right. Second one's loose. Where's some instructions? The curve goes towards the mower and the second blade goes inside. So, just like that. So, it goes just like this, according to the picture. So, one side done. Let's get the other side done. Ah, yeah, I know there's a torque. I got a torque wrench somewhere. What do I torque the blade bolts to my RYOBI ZR3? 600 to 650 inch-pounds. Step 2, replace the blades. All right. So now I got to take off the entire front end. First guess, 10 millimeter. If you don't have 100 10 millimeter sockets, your toolbox is lacking. Like this. Gotta go like that, right? Don't it? It's gotta go like that. And alright. Page 2. I think I'm done with this part. So I'm gonna call it a night. Take a shower, come back, finish this thing up tomorrow. Leave everything right here. Hey, look at this. Good luck turning those bolts with this. No. All right, what a difference a day makes. It was 80 yesterday. This morning it's 41. Forgot to put on these 2 nuts here. Let's get this bad boy back underneath the mower. I thought putting it on a padding, such as my golf mat, would help. I realized that was a mistake because it doesn't want to scoot across the floor, but live and learn. So now I know next time, don't do that. But this time, I don't really have a lot of choice in the matter. Keep my Michael Jackson glove on. The right cannon plug goes on the left side, and the left cannon plug goes on the right side. That's interesting. Once you get it lined up, it's actually not too difficult to put those back together. And they're just hand tight this time. All right, this guy clips in the front. Now I gotta bring that back down. Just like that. Should be able to hook it back together now. 60 seconds. Ah, there we go. Ah. Okay. Yeah. This side's lined up. So I need to raise it about that much to get it to hook on there. Oh, let's try this. All right, almost. There it is. Hot dog. One side done. Side 2 done. Now, does it raise back up? Look at there. Put it back as high as it'll go. Now you gotta come back here because this is where all the action is. This should actually go pretty easy. Let's see. Put this on there. That in there. This guy just sits on here. Like so. And this little rubber piece, that's how you raise it up to get to the bags. So here's the bags. The handle clips in, that's what holds it into place. So there's the bags. And this chute, that's what I was talking about, this and this clips onto these bars down here. Alright. Alright. Let's show you what I did. Okay. So this guy clips on there. That clips on there. And that clips on there. This guy screws in till these arrows line up. Got these 2 arrows that line up. And this just goes right on there. Boom. Ta-da! It's ready to mow. As soon as the sun comes up.